Hey Luke, what do you got there?
What?
What do you got there?
Some pop?
Oh yeah. Basement Buds are doing Ultimate Pop Gauntlet V2.
Are you ready for this?
Oh, I saved it.
You know how crowded it's gonna be with 5 of us?
Yeah, boys. Hello and welcome to a little Basement Buds video here. We're doing, we got some smoke bombs. What's wrong, Aaron?
Yeah, what's wrong? What's wrong?
We got some smoke bombs here. We're gonna be also shotgunning some pops.
It's a second version of the Ultimate Pop.
Oh, fuck!
Starring special guest
Aaron. You have to wait till it's almost there. Now.
No, I'm gonna throw it in when it's going. There we go.
That's gotta be bad.
We're not harming any fish. Oh god, it's all coming at us. Oh no.
Get him.
Anyways.
Is this stuff okay to inhale?
Who knows? I'll try it out.
Caution, do not inhale.
Robert.
All in the
Robert.
Hit it on the top part. It's better on the top.
Wee.
Hey,
Oh my god, I tripped.
Why don't we toss the cameraman? Give a good shout out to our cameraman, Charlie Reeser.
I'll give him.
Here you go, Charlie Reeser.
Oh, ah, ah. Ow.
Is my lips blue? Explosion. Oh guys. Oh.
Maybe.
Oh no! Oh no!
Dude.
Get in the water, get in the water.
The pop can.
This one empty.
Bye, guys.
Hey! You gotta shake it up good.
No, get it close. Come on.
Charlie, get back over here.
How am I supposed to record?
Like explode, so.
Do it on the corner. Corner? Yeah, it works.
Don't actually.
That didn't even work.
Okay.
Dude, stop. His dad's here. You fucking retard. You filmed something.
No, I'm going.
Not hard enough.
High
You just gotta hit
velocity.
it really hard.
High velocity pressure. I got it.
Did you actually?
Yeah, just.
It's a really tiny hole.
Are you cleaning up, Dad?
Oh, swaps are so it's so bad.
Robert.
Oh my god!
Drink the rest of it. Drink what's left.
Robert.
There's nothing left. Oh, I just cut
I did it.
myself.
I've done it twice.
Okay, boys. Here, Eric, move. Eric, move.
Can we go swimming after this?
That's how you crack open a cold
We're
one.
not done yet.
Cracking open a cold one.
Gotta get the right angle here.
Right? Let me get this shot. Ready? Hey, get it.
Twist it. What time is it?
Did you open it, Rob? Gotta open it.
No, we got an hour. What time's your mom coming home? It's 5. Huh?
Word. Chug that, Robert.
Go grab a garbage bag. And we'll get it out of the
Want me to send over the other?
Oh, flashbacks.
Want me to send over the other?
Sure. Word. Word. Luke, the human engine here. We're just shotgunning some stuff. This one,
Wait, is that Guy
This is
Card? No,
shotgun.
wait, no, that's Aaron Lindor.
I mean, if I go like this, I mean, that almost works.
Push.
All right, boys. Anyways.
Fuck.
Oh, fuck. Ah!
Oh, what if I have to piss?
Ah! Jesus, you're gonna hit me.
Get it.
Get it going!
Get it going!
Now open it.
I think he made it a bigger hole.
No! No! No!
That should sink.
Aaron
Hey, guys.
says.
You know we have a long history of me hating Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper's like my favorite. Fanta.
You hate Dr. Pepper? How?
Fanta's my favorite pop.
Fanta?
Really?
Okay. I agree with
Fanta's.
you.
Oh, we should have done that with someone with the feather slingshot.
Should have you do that and then I kick you in. Like,
Fuck Dr. Pepper. It'll be all clean up.
you got an ugly ass picture of me, didn't you?
10 minutes.
No. We're just getting Aaron's.
Video, another 15 minutes.
Get him. Add him up on IG.
Go,
Dog.
let's try this one.
Oh my god.
Open. Ow!
Let me see it.
How
let me
does
see it,
that not
let me see it.
open?
Let me see it. Let me see it. No, tap it against. No, just tap.
What?
Oh, dude, I missed that.
Let's start. Just gotta do that little bottle flip.
Gotta land
can't-
it for it to break open.
It's floating.
Go grab that little.
I don't like Dr. Pepper.
Go grab it.
Hey, Rob, double shotgun
your
with me? Double shotgun.
Hey, let me get on the corner. I could get a real good shot. I got Luke going. Oh. Ah! He sprayed it all over me. Oh.
Okay, open them.
Okay. Eric.
All right.
Jesus.
Hey,
Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Jesus, Robert, you need me to do it for you?
Why the fuck is this not
Hey.
working?
It's lit. I thought it was supposed to be a dot.
What the hell?
Robert.
This is too big.
Oh my god. It's not shotgunning, man. Oh my god. God damn it, Robert. These are white shorts.
Is the ball, is
are
the hole
white.
big enough?
Oh.
Yeah, that happened to me too.
Hmm?
You got it. Dude, it actually like explodes. Like I cut my hand off.
How do you got? What? What should I do? How should I do this?
There's two ways you should do it. There's two ways you should do it, Robert.
How?
Either
Here,
shake
I'll give it a
shake
nice
hard.
hard one. Here, I'll give it a nice hard.
Give it a
hit.
hard smack.
Shake it.
Ah!
Fuck y'all, bitches.
God.
I have to go back and get this.
First, let's see if it floats.
No, we don't.
No,
we're not
yeah,
even-
we already know it
We're
floats.
not even testing it. We know. We're smart. Oh! She floats!
She floats.
I got it, boys.
Dude,
Send her!